Hi, and today we're going to be showing you how to take apart an Xbox 360. Today I'm using my limited edition Halo 3 Xbox. I just bought it last night. So the first thing you want to have is your tools. You need a T10 screwdriver to take apart the casing. You need something to push the pins in the back. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, it fits right in here. A little tiny one, okay? And the last thing you're gonna need is something small that you can fit in here. And see these little pins? Push these. I'll show you that, okay? Now, for starters, I gotta remove this hard drive. Next thing you wanna do is when you remove the faceplate, you grab one corner, and you grab the other, and you just pull down. It's off like that. Simple as that. Phone going off in the background. Okay. Next thing you want to do is there's pins. Okay, I think there's one here, but mine are broken, so I can't really. And then you just go along and you fold up and pop the pins. Now, there's going to be two pins at the back, but when whoever had this before me broke them off. So, now, set this aside. You flip it over to the bottom. You do the same thing, one here. There's one on the other side, but one of mine's broken. Right here. Okay. You just pop all the pins so you don't break any off. Now we're done with this. Next thing you want to do is you want to go along the back. There's pins. Put some pressure on them, and I advise popping the bottom ones first, so because there's only two. I can't really get a grip here. Like that. And go along. Pop all the ones in the bottom. There should be 7 altogether, and they should make a distinctive pop. You want to lay this back down. You want to go on the front. There's little clips. You just take them, put something behind them, pull up. And by the way, once the seal in the front has been broken, you cannot return them. There's one little one at the bottom, but that usually comes off when you take this one off. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is remove the eject button. There's a little pin here. You're just pushing that, it comes right out. Like so. It's the eject button. Now this is when you need a T10 screwdriver. Now I would say the guy who had this before just missed one. There's a screw here, right here, and then there's one up here, and there's one here, and one here, and one here down in the bottom corner. And those are the 6 screws. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out now. These screws go right through to the bottom, and they hold on the bottom plastic casing. Now, if you're working in a small space, I'd recommend you have something to put these in, but I don't really care because I have a whole bunch of spare screws at home. But I advise you do that. Now, once you get all 6, there should be 6. I'm missing one. You flip it over, set it down, and pull up, straight up. And it's got a steel plate right there. Now, if you're customing or something, this steel plate you don't need, but I'd recommend keeping it on there if you're not planning on doing anything. Now, that's pretty much it, unless you want to take apart anything else. Now, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Okay, now if you're cleaning it, you probably want to take the disk drive out. Okay, it unplugs with 2 cords in the back. They just pull out like so. And then you would want to take off the plastic airflow cover. And you'd probably want to take a can of air and spray this all down. Because mine's very dirty right now. So these fans only come out with a 4-prong connector. So if you want to take those out, they're pretty easy to take out. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions.